is sodium
bicarbonate.
Our reaction is sodium bicarbonate. So our reaction is sodium and bicarbonate. Is it carbonate or carbonate?
Carbonate.
Carbonate.
And it's reacting with what?
It's reacting with. You said it.
Huh?
Minutes.
You got it right.
It's
Yeah. Say something, I'm sorry.
It's reacting with the. I said it.
You say it.
Go what is a couple of answers. Reacting with acetic acid. Warm stuff.
Okay.
So now the water is all gone.
Almost all gone. Not too much.
Closely, almost gone. As you can see closely, there are parts of crystals forming all around the pipe. I just stir it.
Now I gotta take it off real fast. Let me see.
See the spoon?
Okay, stand back, Toya. Dry time after that.
I think I overcooked it. But we'll find out in just a second. I can fix it if I did. No. Now notice you guessed it, we got a color change, right? Cover it right back. And cook it. Yeah, I think I overcooked it. So I get the color blind.
Oh, we have a frost. It's frosting on the outside of the pipe.
What we're going to do, use that real cold water. Cool this thing down real fast. I think it's in there, but yeah, it's in there pretty well. Like I said, even if we don't get our rearrangement, we'll get our crystals one way or the other. So we'll double the experiment. If one fails, the other succeeds. Now, look here. Here's what I was telling you. What is that? It's ice. Look, it froze. Yeah, be careful, it's still hot. Just tap it. And see, you've isolated, that's pure sodium acetate right there. Or almost pure. Over 95%.
Very weird, but cool.
Mm-hmm. So, now let's look at our experiment. We started with NaHCO3 minus, right?
Yes.
Or Na plus and HCO3 minus, which was our ionic bond in our sodium bicarbonate, right?
Is it?
And we reacted it with CH3COOH, which is our acetic acid, and we got out
CH3COO
minus plus
And-
sodium, which is that's the sodium acetate, right?
Right.
And we also had the water and the vinegar, and we made a little bit more water in our reaction, and we got CO2, which is what bubbled up, which is what people normally get from the volcano experiment, right?
Right.
Now what we've done is we've stripped all the H2O out, and we've stripped all the CO2 out. So we have we have created and isolated sodium acetate. So you've got that. That's what those crystals are. You've taken two compounds, you've broken an ionic bond, you've broken an acid bond, you created a new compound, and then through evaporation, naturally and through heat, and then you supersaturated it, and you've isolated it, and you created and isolated your own chemical compound.
Will it stay on forever? Is it possible to wash it?
Oh yeah, it comes right off with more vinegar, and probably what we're going to have to do is add just a little bit more.
Pictures, mostly pictures.
Give me that. Give me that thing.
You slide it up. Slide it. No, not that, not that. Good. Press cancel. Cancel. Just slide that up.
See how we got crystals? Now feel the bottom. Even though it's been sitting in that super cold liquid,
It's still warm.
it's making its own heat. It froze itself, and it got hotter as it froze. It's freezing and giving off heat at the exact same time. Let's see if I can get it to do one more thing. Not quite. Got a little bit too concentrated right now. See that? Feel it in your hand. Hot ice.
It's so amazing. It's frozen.
Oh,
It feels soft.
yeah. Hot ice. And it doesn't even smell.
It's not vinegar anymore. There might be a little bit in there, but
Oh,
it's not. It's a different it's a different chemical now.
okay.
It doesn't taste good. It's not toxic, but it make you sick just from it.
Feels like melted butter on the hands.
Pick it up again.
Hot ice, bam. These words.
And I'm gonna try to, if I can get it just right over the next few days, what I'm gonna try to do for